point is now Pakistan is an extended territory of China. So that is the worry, especially with 40,000 odd foot soldiers of China sitting in GB. Do you think a political decision would backfire, boomerang on India?
Sanaullah Baluch mentioned that Pakistan is China's colony. Of course, I don't agree with this. Colony means that the president, army chief has to get the salary from China. Pakistani army chief, Pakistani president, Pakistani prime minister should get the salaries from Beijing.
I think that's what they're getting, sir. Their economy is gone. They're funding from China right now, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, jokingly we can say that, but not yet. Pakistan has not yet become the colony. I mean, not in realistic assessment. Jokes apart.
Fine.
Since 2009, Indian Armed Forces began military operations with the two-front war under nuclear threshold. General Deepak Kapoor and subsequently all army chiefs and then the other chiefs, they have kept following this two-front war under nuclear threshold. That is, both China and Pakistan are nuclear weapon states. And so you have to fight two fronts, not just one front, but two fronts. So it's about 10 years now, 11 years now that we are preparing in that direction. So it is already an established operation that we conduct. So we have already taken into consideration all scenarios based on this two-front war under nuclear threshold, because it's a 11-year concept. So we are prepared from the military. I guess we are prepared. On the other hand, the China factor. In 1965, Zhou Enlai visited Karachi. He asked for, he said so many things, but he did not give any military support to Pakistan. Physical presence of Chinese in Pakistan to counter India in 1965, that did not happen. In 72 war, liberation war, Bangladesh liberation war, the Chinese have unleashed a few goats, sheep in the Tibetan areas. They put pressure psychologically on us by saying, we will open a front. But they did not open a front in 1972, Bangladesh liberation.
71, right?
71, sorry. In 1999 Kargil, the Chinese military was training the Pakistani Air Force in Skardu airfield, which is close to the Siachen Glacier.
Basically.
There is an airfield they were training, but this is indirect training. They were not physically present to counter Indian Air Force, the Mirage 2000's attacks on Dras, Batalik, and Tiger Hill that time. So in all the previous India-Pakistan military engagements, China's role has been indirect. They have not crossed the line. It doesn't mean they don't cross the line in future. So what they did cleverly is to put these 36,000 security guards. So if India fires against Pakistan, and if any of these Chinese are killed, so they have a reason to come up for the Pakistani side. We have to factor that scenario as well. I think the armed forces are preparing even those. I do not know what is happening, but I think they already had factored in even this physical presence of the security guards. So, so there are so many scenarios.